Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the most stunning and exclusive rides from across the globe. And today I'm taking you inside a vehicle that redefines luxury travel. This is the world's most expensive 2026 luxury motorhome. And what you're about to see feels more like stepping into a mansion than a motorhome. From the outside, this masterpiece already makes a statement. With sleek futuristic lines, chrome accents, and a paint finish that shimmers under the light. It doesn't just look powerful, it looks like it belongs on a red carpet. The front grille, LED light design, and sheer presence on the road make it clear this isn't just another RV. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. The entryway alone sets the tone with marble-style flooring, ambient lighting, and a digital control system at your fingertips. The entire interior is smart-enabled, meaning you can adjust everything. Lights, blinds, temperature, even entertainment with a single touch or voice command. The living room is pure luxury. Imagine plush leather sofas, a retractable 65-inch 8K OLED TV, and panoramic windows that flood the room with natural light. Add to that a built-in surround sound system and handcrafted wood and gold accent finishes, and you've got a space that feels like a 5-star hotel lounge on wheels. The kitchen takes things up another level. It's equipped with induction cooktops, a dual-door smart refrigerator, a wine cooler, and sleek marble countertops. Everything is designed for convenience, elegance, and smart living. Even the coffee maker responds to voice commands. When it comes to resting, the bedroom is unmatched. A king-size memory foam bed with climate control, a skylight to sleep under the stars, and another smart TV at the foot of the bed make it feel like a luxury suite. The soundproofing ensures privacy and peace no matter where you're parked. The bathroom is equally stunning. Heated floors, a rainfall shower with mood lighting, and a self-cleaning system. It's not just practical, it's spa-level indulgence. And here's the real game changer: expandable living space. With one push, the motorhome extends outwards, nearly doubling in size. Add in solar panels, a hybrid diesel-electric engine, and even self-driving features, and you're looking at the future of luxury travel. Of course, all of this comes at a price starting at over $3 million. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a motorhome. It's freedom, luxury, and technology combined into one unforgettable experience. So what do you think? Would you live in a $3 million mansion on wheels? Or stick to a traditional home? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Auto Plus for more incredible reviews.